Hey everyone, welcome back to Overland Trails Adventures. Today we're at CB Adventure Supply with Ryan, and Libby's around here somewhere. They are the premier DFW supplier for outdoor equipment, Alu Cab, and a few other fancy things. Today we're dropping off the Toyota Tundra to get an Alu Cabin put on the back of it to kind of advance our adventures to the next level. And Ryan, what exactly are we going to do today?
So today we're going to start the process of installing your Alu cabin, and that's going to we're going to pull the cabin out of the box. We'll install all the accessories that are easily installed off the truck. So for yours, we're going to do the brackets for the shadow awning. We're also going to install the rear molly panels, and we're going to install the Dickinson heater with the GP Factor kit. So we'll do all that off the truck. And then probably tomorrow afternoon, we'll install the lower fit kit, which goes where your tailgate used to go. Then we'll prep the truck, and probably Wednesday sometime, we'll set the camper onto the truck. We seal that, and then start dialing in everything else, running the propane and electrical for your heater. So hopefully by Thursday, we should be pretty close to wrapping it up. So.
Awesome. We're very excited to be able to get this done, be able to get it on, and start kind of customizing it to our adventure style. Yeah. Very excited. And so you're in a new location here. Where can they find you at?
So we're in Fort Worth, Texas. Our current address is 13043 Harmon Road. We should have some signage up on the building hopefully next week or so. But yeah, that's our new location. We've got 3,000-ish square feet of retail space. We've got 2 install bays and then another 5,000 square feet of warehouse where we house all the tents and the awnings and all the big bulky stuff that we can't fit here in the showroom.
Very cool. I'm more impressed with you got an air-conditioned shop now where you guys can get over there and work and do the normal Texas sweat to death kind of thing. Yeah, must be very nice for them.
We did that for a couple years and paid our homage to sweat, and now we have some air conditioning. So it's been a blessing, that's for sure. We're excited about it.
Very cool. We're excited to be able to get the Alu Cabin on, and we'll see you next time when we're picking it up.
Yeah, sounds good. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, we really appreciate it, man.
All good. Thank you.
Good deal.